So this is another rough one of me being super far behind. Okay, so mushroom regeneration happens in a single update call. I tried to just toss in a jank solution. The attractor mode does not actually... It does use the strategy pattern, but currently computer strategy is literally the player strategy, so it's not all that great. Okay, the more interesting thing though is my player manager here. The way I implemented it was, so the player manager has 4 players essentially. The attractor player, and then player 1 solo, player 1 with other player 2 with other player. And that way I can do this, where I have this parent game object with a bunch of virtual functions. And this is the functionality that most of them use. And then they each override what they do differently. It also allows me to attach objects that are unique to only certain ones. And like the attractor mode can literally just do nothing. Because that's what the attractor mode's about. Yeah, and then the attractor mode just swaps back and forth. Sorry, the player manager uses this guy, the current player, to swap back and forth. So to the rest of the program, they will all say like add score to current player, play current player sound, all that stuff. So like for the attractor mode, if you try to update its score, it does nothing. Losing a life literally just restarts the level and doesn't actually lose any lives. Alright, we can play it. I turned off sound for obvious reasons. And I also ignore mushroom collision. So here's the attractor mode. I can run around, die to them. Oh, well, they didn't go so far up. There you go. Just restarts the exact same level. Now if I press the 2 key, I'm in 2-player mode, which is now player 1's view of the world. I die, jumps to player 2's view of the world. Now it jumps back to player 1, which I believe it's inverting player 1's field whenever he goes back, so I'm not entirely sure what that's about. You can die a couple times, it goes back to attractor mode, but again, with my glyphs being messed up, it's kind of hard to tell without just going through breakpoints for days. Scenes, there isn't a they're basically identical, just this mode selection guy that appears in the attractor scene. Yes, they are implemented using 2 different scenes. So yeah, I am in 707 on Thursday. I'm just gonna ask around for whoever can figure out that glyph thing, because that is really making it hard to figure everything out.